wondering why I made this video. Well, this is all about tips on how to develop our leadership style in hospitality industry. We will define first what is a leader. Leader. Leader, a person who can manage and control the group of people and the one that influence and motivate his followers to achieve their goals. What comes to our mind when we hear the word leader? The powerful one and knowledgeable one. A powerful, because he can lead a group of people under his control and give them instruction to follow his rule. B. Knowledgeable, because when we say leader, is the person who knows everything to manage his group and also know how to achieve their goal. And here are some tips on how to develop our leadership style. I entitled this, Be a Good Leader. And under that, to be a good leader, you must be a good follower. First, you have care to your team. It's better to know each of your member in their health, in their partner, their children, their interests, their hopes, and their fears, for you to know what can you do if there's something happen to them. Next, you stay close to your team. At some point in every day of working hours, spend time to walk around in the department and say hi to everyone who works for you. If you're not in the department that day, call and see how people are. This gives you a chance to inquire or encourage and give them an opportunity to raise issues or make suggestions. And do meet your team. If you have time, you meet them daily, weekly, or at least monthly, depending on your place and type of work. You can have meetings of all the members of the team and keep these meetings short, focused, and action-oriented. Make sure every member of the team contribute in some way and acknowledge. Next one is develop your team. Through varied experience and regular training, you should be developing each team member to be more and more confident and more skilled. And inspire your team. Consider making available a motivational quote or story every week or month for them to more inspired to do their best for aiming the goal. And the best one is, you must celebrate with your team. This might be a personal event, such as member's birthday or a professional occasion, such as completing a project or winning a contract. Next, set objective for each team member. As far as possible, this objective such be A, S, M, A, R, T. Specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound. And be thanked constantly. The word thank you takes a second to say but means so much. For your member, it will serve as a great feeling when they hear a word thank you came from you. And praise constantly. The word well done takes also a second to say but means so much. For your members, they will feel being appreciated when you will consider their works as good enough for them. Communicate to them. Don't assume that your members should know all things. What you're doing, still less what you're planning or thinking. Tell them using all the communication tools such as team briefings, electronic newsletter, and organizational newspapers. Empower them. A really effective leader sets objectives for his team members but leaves detailed implementation to these objectives to the discretion and judgment of individual members. General George Patton says, "Don't tell people how to do things. Tell them what to do and let them surprise you with their results." It says that as a leader, let your members work alone for them to know their own ability, to finish well their works even you're not around. And make time. Managers are often busy, and this can deter people from approaching you. So make time for people and be approachable. People will appreciate you taking 5 minutes out of your busy schedule, especially if you act on or listen to what they say. And really listen. Many of us, especially those who think they are important, don't really listen, but instead think about what they're going to say next. Give the person speaking to you your full attention and really take on board what they are saying. Let them to give their suggestion, opinion, and idea. Creative thinking skills. As a leader, you must be looking for many possible answers rather than one. Allow yourself to create some useful suggestions as well as those that seem sensible. Visualize your goal. The one requirement for leadership is personal vision, the ability to visualize your goal as an accomplished fact, a thing already achieved. Lastly, have a role model and be a role model. Someone or anything that inspire you to be a truly great leader. And for your members, that you can be a role model to be followed. I hope this video will help you or inspire you to be a good leader.